Hey friends, welcome back to Healthy Grocery Girl. While we eat predominantly plant-based as a family, seafood is a weekly staple. Today I'm sharing with you a few health benefits of seafood, why it's important to me and my family, how to shop for sustainable seafood, and also our weekly, very simple baked salmon recipe with a very delicious pesto. Thank you to Seafood Nutrition Partnership for partnering with us on today's video, and now let's get started. Let's start with some seafood nutrition facts. Seafood offers many nutritional benefits, and one of those being a source of omega-3 fats, which are important for brain and heart health. Two types of omega-3s, known as EPA and DHA, are found in abundance in fish and shellfish. While there is no recommended daily intake for omega-3s, 250 to 500 milligrams of combined EPA and DHA per day is recommended for adults from many health organizations like the American Heart Association. EPA and DHA may help decrease inflammation, lower blood pressure, and support heart health. From little ones to adults, omega-3 fats are essential for supporting our overall health. At our home every week, we buy sustainable salmon and make this really delicious and very simple baked salmon with a broccoli pesto, and I'm going to share the recipe with you right now. To make this recipe, you will need salmon, and then we like to add on the side sweet potatoes and Brussels sprouts, which you'll also need extra virgin olive oil, lemon, and Himalayan pink sea salt. For the pesto ingredients, you will need fresh basil, broccoli florets, lemon, extra virgin olive oil, hemp hearts, minced garlic, and Himalayan pink sea salt. To cook the sweet potatoes, preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Chop the sweet potatoes into half-inch thick cubes, adding to a baking sheet, and toss with 1 tablespoon of EVOO and a pinch of sea salt. Bake on the middle rack in a preheated oven for 20 minutes. Stir and then place back in the oven and increase the temperature to 425 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for an additional 20 minutes. To cook the salmon, place the salmon on a baking dish. I like to use a glass pie dish. Place in the oven beneath the sweet potatoes at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 30 minutes. To make the Brussels sprout salad, use a mandolin or sharp knife to shave the Brussels sprouts. Toss with 2 tablespoons of EVOO, juice from half a lemon, and a pinch of sea salt. To make my favorite dairy-free pesto, you will pick basil leaves from the stem, then rinse the broccoli and basil and pat dry. Add basil, broccoli, juice from lemon, and all remaining pesto ingredients to a blender and blend until smooth. Plate your salmon with a dollop of pesto and add your sides of sweet potato and Brussels sprout salad and enjoy. When shopping for sustainable seafood, here are a few key tips to follow. The most important tip is to trust your grocery store, as they have done the hard work for you. Learn about your grocery store's sustainability guidelines. For example, Whole Foods, where we often shop, has incredible seafood standards. These guidelines mean that they are sourcing sustainable seafood that have been harvested and grown responsibly. Other things you can look for are certification logos like ASC, BAP, and MSC. Eating seafood matters for our health and also the health of our planet. When we incorporate sustainable seafood into our diet, we're supporting our health in both the short term and the long term, and also supporting the working waterfront communities. For more information on the many benefits of seafood and how to incorporate sustainable seafood, visit seafoodnutrition.org. You can also view or print today's recipe from our blog at healthygrocerygirl.com, and all the links are below in the video description box. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. You can also follow me on Instagram at healthygrocerygirl. I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!